I'm Gerrit Klaassen. I work for Holland Air Pumps in the Netherlands. I work as a sales engineer visiting our customers in the chemical industry. Our specialty is selling pumps in chemical processes at chemical companies, but also in other industries. We are a specialist in pneumatic pumps. But we do a lot in hazardous applications. In fact, that's where we like to see our business. These chemicals are used pure. The product is very corrosive. Also vapors, for instance, can cause the aluminium to lose its strength or to corrode. But more a problem when somebody is in the neighborhood and gets this spill, like in the eyes or in the face or whatever. So it will be contained under any circumstances. So a safe pumping system, that's really what you want. And that's what our customers want. And that's what we want. And we want to be sure that the customer, has a safe situation. Better this way than to have an accident and to be sorry. In applications where there's more performance needed and more flow, and the more industrial applications for general purposes, we use the Wilden pumps. When handling dangerous chemicals, this pump is our workhorse in the industry. This is a PX400, in this case an aluminium version. It's used a lot in the coating industry, for instance, to pump paints or solvents. It's a safe pump because it's air driven. There's no risks. And the unique thing of this pump is that it is bolted. It has a bolted design. And of course, it has this new PX system. In fact, you have a dial knob which can turn from 1 until 4. Very simple, just turning. The first position is in fact the most efficient way to operate your pump. And position 4 is where you get the performance. In this way you can save energy up to 50%, which is considerable. What we often see is that they use these pumps for slurries. The first time you have a thick slurry, the next time you have a thin product. In both cases, this pump works. You don't need to have separate, like motors on, whatever, or suddenly see that your motor is not strong enough. And it will not be overloaded, as other pumps do. So that's a big advantage when using a Wilden pump. What we see is that our customers look for pumps. They are easy to maintain in processes. Pumps they can rely on. It's always, like a risk when you have a hazardous chemical. That's why we in fact always choose our product for these applications. Like we have pumps that cannot leak, we have pumps that cannot cause an explosion. So you wanted to get it as safe as possible from A to B. You can do this on several ways, of course, but the advantage we have with air-operated pumps is that they are self-priming. You can easily put them in line with your fluid system and pump your product without handling it with your hands or whatever, or cause spills. You will not have any pressure build up more than like the air pressure which is inside of the pump. So in fact you have none risks. So it's easy to use and it's safe to use.